In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip your camera in Google Meet. This can be particularly useful if you want to ensure everything appears as you'd like it to during a video call. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, what you need to do is head over to Google Calendar. This is essential because Google Meet is integrated with it and it'll streamline joining a scheduled meeting. Once you're in Google Calendar, find the meeting you've scheduled or the one you're planning to join. It'll be listed there, so click on the scheduled Google meeting. Now that you've clicked on the meeting event, you'll see several options. Look for the Join with Google Meet button. By clicking on it, you open up the preview and meeting lobby for Google Meet, giving you an opportunity to ensure everything is set up correctly before you join. After ensuring all is ready in the preview, the next step is to select Join Now. This will connect you to the meeting, so make sure you've got all your audio and video settings ready to go. Once you're connected and the video call is active, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an extensions icon. This might look like a puzzle piece depending on your browser. Click on this icon. In the menu that appears, you'll find an option called Mirror Mode for Google Meet. This is where the magic happens. Mirror Mode typically mirrors your video feed so you see yourself similarly to how others see you. Now let's adjust the mirroring settings. Click on Mirror Mode for Google Meet. You'll likely see a checkbox option here. To flip the camera view for yourself, simply untick the checkbox. It's as simple as that. What this does is change your view to a non-mirror mode, ensuring you see what others see. And there you have it. By completing all these steps, you'll successfully manage how your video feed is displayed to you. Remember, this change affects only your perspective. Others will always see the mirrored view when it's your front-facing camera, just as intended in Google Meet. Having control over your view is particularly handy during presentations or when showing documents to ensure text appears correctly readable to you, easing any self-consciousness about how you appear, and letting you focus more on engagement and content rather than tech difficulties. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you effortlessly flip your camera in Google Meet. If you found this video useful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tutorials. Until next time, have a great day ahead.